Hello everyone, this is going to be the final video in the three-part series of these $500 computer build videos I've been making. The first one was the unboxing, second one was it finished right after I built it, and now I have installed Windows and all the vital programs and your basic software and stuff. So now I'm just going to start it up and pretty much just show you guys the finished computer build here. So I figured I'd start with it off just to show you guys the startup time. I guess it would help if I turn the power supply on. Switch down there. Like I said, I didn't do much to it. I installed like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome browser, VLC media player, OpenOffice, AVG, pretty much just some basic programs. It's running Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit operating system. You know, I went through all the settings and tweaked it to my liking, make sure everything's running the way I'd like it to, downloaded all the drivers, did all that stuff. So let's see. Alright, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this, the Windows Experience Index. Pretty much it's just a rating on a scale from a 1 to 7.9, 1 being the worst, 7.9 to be the best. I'll get to that in a minute. It shows the hardware specifications, the AMD FX 6300. It's a hecta-core processor at 3.5 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit OS. Yeah, so there's that. Then open up this. So it explains right here, scale from 1 to 7.9, and this computer's rated a 5.9 and determined by the lowest subscore. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know how this works and everything, but pretty much it breaks it down into all these categories: processor, memory, graphics, gaming graphics, and primary hard disk, which is your hard drive. And then it rates each of them on a 1 to 7.9 basis. So the processor got 7.4, the 8 gigs RAM got 7.4, graphics got 7.1, gaming graphics 7.1, and then the hard drive, which is a terabyte, 7200 RPM Toshiba hard drive, got a 5.9. So even though these are all above 7, the 5.9 brings it down to 5.9. So yeah, I don't know why it's 5.9. I thought a 7200 RPM disk would be a bit more than that, but I guess it's because SSDs and stuff really raise the bar there. I know my SSD is, I want to say it's like 7.4 or something like that, and it's 250 gig Samsung SSD on my other computer. So, but besides that hard drive kind of bringing the score down, I'm satisfied with everything else. I mean, it's a GeForce GT 640 with 2 gigs of onboard memory. I mean, it's like a $100 card to rate it at 7.1. That's pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it. You know, it's nice and clean. I don't have the background cluttered. And then as it gets used more and stuff, more stuff will get installed and it'll probably start to slow down. But put this background on here. that's pretty much it. Didn't really do a whole lot to it, just wanted to make it usable, so when I do give it as a gift, like I mentioned in my previous video, it's going to be a gift from my brother for his birthday. He can pretty much do whatever he wants and change it to his liking. So, yeah, so if you guys are interested in the actual hardware of the PC itself, you can check out the other two videos, but you don't have to, whatever. Alright, thanks for watching.